Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Chris Mary Jane Cocharo from Borok Corby, Malagos, Baguio District, Davao City, Philippines. I'm 26 years old. I have live-in partner. We have one child. His name is AJ Ray Alipayo. He is 6 years old. Before, I work as housemaid. I have four members in the family. One 8 years old and one 9 months. I do their cooking, cleaning, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, take good care of the baby. And I can sing lullabies for the babies like rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little children wants to play, rain, rain, go away. And I hope we will choose me as your worker. I'm a hardworking and a honest person. Oh, thank you.